Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This your girl Jazzy Styles. Today is going to be another clothing haul. So today is going to be a Walmart clothing haul. Y'all, don't y'all be sleeping on Walmart, because Walmart got something for these other clothing stores. Let me tell you, baby. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning back in. Please go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button and that bell next to it so you won't miss when I do another upload. If you are new here, hey girl, hey, my name is Jazzy. Over here I do a variety of things. I do clothing hauls, I do entrepreneur videos, I do DIYs. I even put up some vlogs here and there. I do hair videos sometimes. You know, if you want to go check out how I got this here, it should be down below. Also, you guys, I do like unboxing videos for my business and just other things randomly, or whatever the case may be. Or, you know, I just post whatever because this is my channel. I can do whatever I want. I don't just post one thing because, you know, I can do what I want. Anyway, y'all, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell next to it so you won't miss when I do another upload. Okay, like I said, today here is going to be a Walmart haul. It's going to be mainly jumpsuits. I have a few here that I'm going to show you guys. And the first one is going to be this one here that I have on. Okay, y'all, so this is the first one that I have on here. It is like, I say, giving me jungle fever or whatever the case is. You have your flowers, your and like, you know, you have this little tie here. It does button down here in the front, and at the back it does have this here, that detailing right there. And I am short, I'm 5'2", so it comes almost to my ankles or whatever the case may be. Let's see. I got this in the size large and it was $14.95, you guys. So what I want to do here is I want to bring out, you know, the yellow and stuff in here. So I do have these shoes here that I'm going to put with it as well as this little purse. So this is how it's looking. This purse is from Shein, and these shoes I've been having for a while. I forgot where I got them from. This will be my second time wearing them in the haul. One once out, but yeah. Okay, next one here, y'all, is another jumpsuit. It's red, black, and white. Here it has like a little split down the middle here, and also at the back I wasn't able to button it. And this is in a size large. This was also $14.95. It fits well. It has a little stretch to it. That's how it looks. Pair it here with these shoes here. Got the fashionhaul and this purse Okay, y'all, so this is the next one here. It's in the size medium. It does not have the band, but it has pockets. I like the little pattern on it here. And like I said, it's a size medium. This one was $9.96. It's really pretty. It fits well. that I got from Ego, and this purse here feels that it fits well. So this is how it's looking now. Okay, y'all, this is the next one here. This is in the size medium. It has a tie here around here, little buttons here, but it's a jumpsuit. It don't button down or nothing. It's just like designs. So this is how this is looking. What do you guys think about this one here? Okay, y'all, so here is the next one. This is the second to the last one. I have one more after this. This one here is light blue, dark blue, and white, and it has these clear buttons going down the front. It also has this little belt that ties around, and this detailing here at the back here. Okay, and it comes almost down to my ankles. I am short by 2, so if you're taller than this, it might look like high waters on you. I don't know, but it looks good on me. I like it. Digging this style, y'all. This is really cute. What do you guys think? Really like this. Alright, y'all, on to the next one. This is the next one. Or the last one. This is the last one here. I like it. It's white. It has the brown buttons down the front. It also has this tie here, no pockets. Fits well. This is in the size large. This was $14.96. Comes all the way down to my ankles here. That's how it looks at the back. And I'm going to pair with silver, so I have this little silver purse here, and also these little silver slide-in shoes. That's how it's looking with the shoes and the little purse here. Okay, y'all, thank you guys so much for tuning in to this clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, I didn't do too much. I just, you know, paired it with a purse and some shoes, and that was that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and hopefully you go to your local Walmart and find something that you might like, cheap, under $20. Didn't spend that much. So yeah, until next time, bye.